There.
A. Cheese.
Big step.
Let me see. Let me see Alec in there.
You want to see Adrock in there?
Yeah.
I don't think Adrock's in there. Should we put Adrock in there?
Sure.
Okay, go down by Adrock and we'll put him in the picture. Can you get down and go see Adrock?
Oh
Okay. Here. You go see Adrock and we'll put him in the picture. Where's Adrock?
no. Come on.
There he is. Here, let's turn the lights on so it's not so dark.
Yay! Yay!
Are you going to give Adrock a hug and a kiss? Gentle. Are you going to give Marley a hug and a kiss?
She just has some ears.
What? She has ears.
No, she not.
Gentle. Oh, I don't think she wants a kiss. What do the Marleys on the bus say?
Excuse me.
What do the Marleys on the bus say?
Excuse me.
What do the Adrocks on the bus say?
Excuse me.
What do the mommies on the bus say?
Dada! Where's Daddy?
Daddy went
Daddy's at
to
work.
Where did Daddy go?
That was Colin.
That was Colin. Okay, do you want me to turn the camera off?
No. A pocket?
I do have pockets.
Where is it?
I don't know if I have pockets on these pants.
Where is it? Hey, where did I? Where did
Hey, leave my pants alone. Okay, say goodbye.
Patties?